English to Malay. Can with.
Boleh.
Welcome.
Boleh.
Power up. Brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources. Ready to master, can, in Malay with.
Boleh.
Imagine a bright green light that says,
Boleh.
every time you're ready. Today, we'll make can, I can, you can, he can, she can, it can, we can, you can, plural, and they can roll off your tongue with a smile. Let's go. Your goal today. You and I will nail these forms in minutes. Stay with me and repeat out loud. By the end, you'll use can.
Boleh.
In real moments, I can.
Saya boleh.
You can.
Kamu boleh.
He, she can.
Dia boleh.
It can.
Dia boleh.
We can.
Kita boleh.
You can, plural.
Kamu semua boleh.
They can.
Mereka boleh.
Forms fast track. Repeat after me. Keep it punchy. Can.
Boleh.
I can.
Saya boleh.
You can, singular.
Kamu boleh.
He can.
Dia boleh.
She can.
Dia boleh.
It can.
Dia boleh.
We can.
Kita boleh.
You can, plural.
Kamu semua boleh.
They can.
Mereka boleh.
Chant time. Let's groove this into memory. Say it with rhythm. I can.
Saya boleh.
You can.
Kamu boleh.
He can.
Dia boleh.
She can.
Dia boleh.
It can.
Dia boleh.
We can.
Kita boleh.
You can, plural.
Kamu semua boleh.
They can.
Mereka boleh.
All together. Can.
Boleh.
Tiny dialogue. Listen in and echo the bold bits. You're the hero of this scene. A. Can we start? We can.
Kita boleh.
B. Can you help? You can do it.
Kamu boleh.
C. Can he fix the drone? Yes.
Dia boleh.
Now, with a new battery, it can fly.
Dia boleh.
Terbang. Coach. Team, you can.
Kamu semua boleh.
They can win this.
Mereka boleh.
Menang. You. I can carry the snacks.
Saya boleh.
Bawa makanan. Quick quiz. Answer out loud. I'll reveal after a beat. Q1. How do you say, they can? Answer.
Mereka boleh.
Q2. In Malay, you can, to one friend? Answer.
Kamu boleh.
Q3. We can, including the listener? Answer.
Kita boleh.
Q4. The word for, can, by itself? Answer.
Boleh.
Q5. You can, to a group? Answer.
Kamu semua boleh.
Culture tip.
Malaysia boleh.
Exclamation mark quote. Here's a fun boost you'll hear in Malaysia. The national cheer, Malaysia.
Boleh.
Means, Malaysia can. Use that energy when you encourage, you can.
Kamu boleh.
Or to a crowd.
Kamu semua boleh.
And remember, he can, she can, are both.
Dia boleh.
Challenge mode. Your turn. Say these faster than me. Say, I can finish this. Then repeat in Malay.
Saya boleh.
Siapkan ini. Say to one friend, you can try again. Then Malay.
Kamu boleh.
Cuba lagi. Say about him, he can swim. Then Malay.
Dia boleh.
Baranong. Say about her, she can help. Then Malay.
Dia boleh.
Bantu. Say about a gadget, it can start now. Then Malay.
Ia boleh.
Mula Sekarang. Say to your team, we can win. Then Malay.
Kita boleh.
Manang. Shout to a group, you can do it. Then Malay.
Kamu semua boleh.
Lakukan. About another team, they can join later. Then Malay.
Mereka boleh.
Dating kemudian. Wrap up. Nice work, your
Boleh.
is booming. Keep the green light glowing. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing these forms daily. Can, I can, you can, he can, she can, it can, we can, you can. Plural, they can. This podcast was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, transcripts, and games. See you next time.